Now I am going to discuss with another important thing, that is here in the checkout page. You see there is a select area. Area means actually the shipping. So that means if you select any area, that cost will be added here. Okay, so like this, you see, with this one, this cost is going to be added. So how I can add this thing here, I will show you. And in order to control this, similar like the coupon, I will have to create here an area. So area create.php, for example, and then I am going to create that is another file which is area view, and then I am going to create area edit.php file, and another one will be here area delete.php file. So total 4 files will be here like the coupons. So I am going to copy the coupon view code, and in the area view I am going to paste it. It will be areas. Areas means shipping area. Okay, so area create, and here is the name only, and here I give the area name, and area charge, there is an charge, extra charge will be added here for the area. So there will be a charge. So from the areas table, I do not have any table by this name yet, so I am going to here areas, and total 3 items, ID, name and charge. So create. So first one is ID, then area name, and then there will be charge. Charge is integer, okay. Name equal to varchar 255 is okay. This is auto increment. Click on save button, then it comes here. Now I am going to show all the things, that is the name, and another one is charge. So I remove this, and there is nothing about the status, so remove this one, and these two will be area edit and area delete.php. okay, so now if I want to add this into the sidebar, go to sidebar, and after the coupon here I add the area. So it will be area, and there it will be area section. So now let's go to the admin. You see area, click here, you see this is area, add new. There is nothing about the add new yet, so I am going to copy the coupon create, copy this paste code, and in the area create I am going to paste it. So this is okay. So this is the area create. So area view and area create, and in the area create there will be a name, that is mandatory, and here name, and another one here it is 12 for example, and another one is charge. So here I write the charge will be here, and all other items will be removed from here. So I remove all other items, and then there will be a submit, it will come here. The name cannot be empty. Duplicate is also possible to check, where name equal to this is the name. If duplicate found, name already exists, and then there will be the next one is charge. So I write here charge. So here I am going to give charge cannot be empty. If the charge is numeric, so here I can check the charge. So charge must be numeric, and I am going to remove it. So in 2 areas there will be 2 items. Okay, so 2 items will be name, and another one will be charge. So 2 items, one is name, another one is charge. Now I am going to give here the name, and charge will be here, and I am going to remove all other from here, and here it will be area has been created, and here it will be area view. So I hope it should work. So I write this one, and for example first one is free shipping, there is no charge, it can be happened here. And free shipping, for example, if this is free shipping 10 plus days, for example, this one charge is 0. You see it is coming. And if inside city charge is, for example, $20, and outside city, for example, charge is $50, and this is outside city. So charge is in dollar symbol. So here I write the charge to this USD. So here you will see $0, $20, $50. And here if I want to edit, I will work with that now. But you see add area, and this one is working. If I give name but no charge, it is showing. If charge I do not give into numeric, it must be numeric. And here in the case of charge, I am going to add the asterisk here also. That means it is mandatory field. Now I am going to work with the edit section, and here if I go to the area and if I go to work with the edit, what will happen? Let's do that. So like the product coupon, that means the coupon edit, I am going to copy this and I am going to paste it into area edit here. And now here the checking will be started from the areas table, and area view, it will redirect the user back if there is no such ID. And here from the areas table I get the data result, existing data. So here it will be area, and here it will be area view, and here it will be the name. Okay, so name will be this, that is 12, and here is also 12, and here charge will be this, like this. So it is name and this is charge. Now I am going to remove other items because those are not needed. So remove those. Update is okay. When it will be submitted, it will come here, and like the area create, here I am just going to copy this on area edit. Here it will be here. Duplicate check will be from the areas. Duplicate name check from areas where name equal to this and ID not equal to the current ID. Then it will show area already exist. Then there will be charge and charge numeric. These two it will check it, and I am going to remove all other items. And what will be the updated code areas where not all the items. Here one will be name and another one will be charge, and here also one will be name and another one will be charge. And all other items I am going to remove, those are not needed. And here area has been updated, area view, and this is area edit.php where question request. So okay, it should work. Refresh. If I now want to add something like this, it will not work. I will have to give it numeric. So you see AA33. So here I give 44 and here BB update. You see it is working. So next one is to delete it. So like the coupon delete, I will use the area delete. So coupon delete is here. So copy everything from here. In the area delete, paste it. From the areas table, I check the validation. Otherwise it will take to the area view. And from the areas, it will delete the data where ID equal to request of ID. So here it will be area has been deleted, and it will redirect the user back to the area view.php page. So now if I want to delete it, you see area has been deleted successfully. So only 3 areas are here as the shipping cost. So the area section is working here, and the same area I will show in the front end and work with the checkout. Now my next task is to apply the coupon here. So first I will show the order summary, and then I will show the coupon here. Okay, so the coupon apply, and then that coupon will be automatically applied here. The discount is static, it has no value right now, so I will apply the coupon. So first I am going to check the order summary where there is into the checkout page. So this is my order summary. Okay, so in the order summary page, I am going to run my PHP code. So here I run my code. So what code I will run here? For example, I equal to 0 and array product ID equal to this one. So for this I am going to run array product ID as value. Array product ID, sorry, not array product ID, it is session. It is session of product ID, session of product ID as value, and then I will write here that will be the I++ first, and then array product ID equal to value, but here I will write the I because it starts from 1. So this is the case of product ID, and then the similar thing will be happen for the product quantity. So I write here it will be quantity, so like this. So it will be quantity and it will be also quantity. So into two separate arrays I take these two items, and now I am going to write subtotal equal to 0. I defined it, and then for the for loop I am going to start the for loop, and this for loop will also be end here. So end for like this, and here I equal to 1, I less than equal to count of ARR product ID, and then I++. So this is my loop, and into this loop I am going to take each time some data. So I am going to write PHP, and into the for loop PHP select. So I am going to take the data from the products table, okay, but here I have the categories, so I am going to run a join query here. So select all from products, that means product table dot all. So this is products P, and then join product categories. So product categories table PC, and then on P dot product category ID equal to PC dot ID. So PC dot ID will be here, and in the top P dot all, and here I am going to write PC dot category name. Actually in that table it will be the name as category name, so it is okay. And here where if I want to give, it will be P dot where P dot ID equal to what, and here in the loop it will be array of product ID of I already done this type of task in the case of cart page, where I tried to show all the product ID. So same thing is I am going to show here. So if you want to show the product data, so I am going to write the product data equal to not face all, it will be for example the face. I delete all other items from here. So product data is in my hand. Now you see in the for loop the main thing I will need, you see this is repeating, so this on in this way. So here I write this one because this will be repeated. So I am going to delete this one, okay. So here is the product photo, that means the product data is in my hand. So easily what I can do, easily I can write here, that is the upload slash, and here I can write echo then product data of what. In the case of product it is featured photo, right? So featured photo. And another one is the product name. So I have the product sale price is in my hand, and also the slug in my hand, and product data name also in my hand. So first one is this one, that is the product data of name. So here write echo product data of name here, and if I want to write the slug, I am going to copy this one, and here it will be the base URL first. So I write here that is base URL, and then I write product.php question slug equal to this one, that is product data of slug. And here is the price symbol is dollar symbol, and product data of price I can write here, that means the sale price. So product data of sale price, this one, and it will be multiply with what, it will be multiply. You see there is a symbol, and it will multiply with array. That means PHP echo array product quantity of current product quantity array. It will take the data from there. And this is the thing. In short, it should do okay. I am going to refresh. You see total 3 items was in my cart. So this one is 12 piece, this one is 2 piece, you know. So what I will do, so my next task is to have the subtotal, and subtotal is in my hand, because if I want to run the subtotal, this multiplication is okay, but in this way it is hard to show the subtotal. So in order to check the subtotal before just ending the for loop, here I can write a PHP code. I am going to give a temporary. So product data of sale price multiply this one, and subtotal plus equal to temp is okay. Subtotal equal to subtotal plus temp, okay, this is good. So each time I will get a subtotal in my hand, and when I am going to get any type of subtotal, immediately I can do one thing, that is I can take another session variable to take the subtotal, and this subtotal I am going to put into my subtotal session variable, because I will have to use this one into later. So I just save it so that it does not destroy from here. So when this page will be called, then after each time subtotal calculation, the session subtotal will be always updated. So if this is okay, so what will be my next subtotal thing? You see the subtotal amount is 280, right? So here if I want to use this one is subtotal is okay, so this one will be changed, right? So if I now delete this and use this one, what will happen? If I refresh, you will see that the subtotal is 280. Now I am going to change something here in the cart. For example, 12 items not needed, I reduced to so 366. So in the checkout it will be 366, right? So the subtotal that I am going to show here, by the subtotal amount, if I go here, you will see that it is taken here, and subtotal dot to fixed. So here is some calculation in the bottom. So constant subtotal, that 280 that was fixed. Here I will write the session of subtotal value. So echo so session of subtotal. If I write like this, then the subtotal should be here, subtotal, okay. But the discount is not here yet, and shipping not I am going to calculate. So if I refresh, you see 366 coming here. So that means it is completely dynamic now. If you go here, you will see it is 366. If I reduce it, you see 351. Now go here, you see this is 351. So that means the subtotal here is showing completely dynamically. Now I am going to apply the coupon. For example, you give any code here and then click on apply promo code, then what will happen? So here you see the coupon is, for example, the apply coupon means here you see apply promo code, right? So here I am going to see apply promo code. It is actually given here as a anchor. But what I want to do that I want to apply here a button. So what I can do, here is subtotal, total is this, and this discount will work after not now, it will work after some functions. So first task is to apply the coupon, and in order to apply the coupon, here in input promo code, this is the input class equal to this. So this is the main text box, right? So as this is the main text box, type text is okay. Placeholder equal to, you can write here, that is coupon code. And here I will need to give a name here. So for example, the name equal to the name equal to what I can write, that is the code. So from the coupon code I put here the code. And here for example, button type equal to, here I give the type, it will be the submit, okay. And the class button apply code is the class, okay. Position relative, button secondary, text uppercase empty 3, this is okay. And another important thing is to apply here the name. So name here I am going to give, that is the form underscore coupon, for example. So this is the coupon name, and apply promo code here. And I am going to give the name and submit the data. And this thing, that is if you have any session discount, if you do not have any discount, I have another session variable I will have, so that will be the discount. So for that reason here I can write PHP if not is set. So if not is set, session of discount. So if you do not apply the coupon code, then only this thing will be shown here, otherwise not. So PHP end if will be here. And here inside here form post I am going to apply, and this form I am going to apply after the button. So the code will be here. So form coupon is the code. You see now the discount, if not is set, discount is okay. And if you give any discount, then what will happen? Here I am going to write here, that is if is set discount, if is set, then session of discount. So if there is any discount variable here, so discount equal to session of discount is okay. So here I write discount now equal to this, otherwise the discount will be for example 0.00 you can put here. If you write the discount here in the bottom, you see here discount is 20, but actually the discount now that I am going to give to get there, that will be the actual discount in my case. Shipping is okay, total equal to subtotal minus discount plus shipping. I am not going to change anything here now. So the data that is showing here, it is okay. So anyway, I am going to show you, that is the submission. That means the total here, you see total all will be here dollar symbol like this. So here I am going to the top, and here I will write here the code, that is the form coupon. So when you will submit any form, that means here I am going to write if is set, then post of form coupon here, then what will happen? Here will be a try catch block. So try and catch, here not PDO exception, it will be normal exception. And here I will write session of error message equal to what? So error message equal to this one. And then header location, then header location will be checkout.php. And here I write this one, that is the base URL. Base URL will be here, and then exit. And in the try, if you give the wrong coupon code, what will happen? So if the post of code equal to empty, then throw exception will be please add a coupon code. So this is the first exception. There are some other exception here. For example, if the coupon code is valid or invalid, how I can check it? So statement equal to from the coupons table I will check the code. and if the postcode, if I get it, for example the total, so here total equal to a statement of row count, and here the coupon data, for example I write here the coupon data will be a statement face, this one, and now I will check if the total equal 0, then invalid coupon code, that is okay. And there is an status if any coupon is inactive. So here coupon data I have in my hand, and if I give any status inactive, the coupon code is inactive. You will have to you will see that. Also the end date of any coupon, if becomes less than the start date, if that is the coupon data here, end date is greater than, so end date is greater than, for example today, then the coupon has been expired. And if the start date is greater than today date, then the coupon is not yet valid. That means that date does not come yet when the coupon will be started, so many days are remaining here. Okay, so this is the thing. And another one that I will have to check, that will be actually into the orders table. Check in orders table for maximum uses, but I will do it later. That means when I will work with the checkout, then I will check this thing. So I am not going to check this type of thing now. So after if there is any exception in this case, so it is okay that if the coupon reaches the maximum. And the next validation, here one thing is fixed price. For example, if coupon data of type equal fixed, what they suggest me, if it is fixed price data, then what will be the exact coupon amount? It is discount is the field name in my case, equal to discount. Yeah, it is the thing that is if that type equal to fixed, then I am going to fix it first, so discount. And now if I write if discount is greater than session of subtotal in my hand, so you are giving the total amount that I am going to get in my hand, the fixed price, if the total discount money is greater than the subtotal. So it is not possible to give discount, right? So if this happens, then I will throw an exception. So here if this one, then I can write throw exception, discount amount cannot greater than the subtotal. Else mean it is in the case of percentage. So what will be the discount? So here it will be the coupon data amount, it is okay, but not amount, it is discount. If coupon data discount multiply here coupon data discount, what will be the percentage? It multiply this one divided by 100. What will be here? Coupon data discount, here I can write something like that. So coupon data discount divided by 100, for example I divide it by 100 and I will multiply it with the subtotal. Okay, now the session variable that will come here, session of discount. So I will set up the discount will be the discount full amount, and the discount and there is a session of code equal to for example the post of code. So I put these two variable so that I can show it into already applied section. So for that reason I just apply this one. So it is the session of success message equal to coupon is applied successfully or something like that, it will be happen. That is coupon code applied successfully, and then I will write the header location. That means here header location will be this one, checkout, and there will be a exit. So what happens, let's check it. If I give a invalid coupon code, and here you see it is not working because I applied here the button. So where there is a form coupon, their button or this one, here manually I can write any button, but class is this button primary instead of secondary. If I use primary, you see now it is coming. Okay, so now if I apply the coupon, please enter a coupon code. If I give an invalid coupon code, invalid, you know the coupon, this one is inactive. So if I apply a coupon that is inactive, you see it is not active. If I try to apply a coupon that actually active is okay, but it will start for example in this date. So test on, if you try to apply, so coupon code is not valid yet. So you must have to give only the valid coupon. If I give the fixed price coupon, that means if I want to give the fixed price common, then 10 will be added here. So you see coupon code applied successfully. When it will be applied, this box is not here, you see. So this is one of the important thing, that the discount, you see that $10 comes. That means the dynamic thing is working here, but the coupon is applied, which coupon applied, and if you want to remove that coupon, how you can remove the coupon here, so that is not given. But the coupon is applied, you see this is the 10. Okay, so if you now want to remove any coupon, for example, if is set and discount is okay, so form action, this was actually the coupon apply system here, so it is okay. But in the top, the discount is this, you see this was an static discount, right? So in the discount that is showing here you can just show something like that. So how it can be, you see this is a H4, so I am now going to put it something like that, and here I am going to show something that is PHP if is set that is the session, if is set session of which one, discount. If is set session of discount, if it has any value, then what I will do, I will use a beer here, and then what thing I can apply here. So applied coupon or something like I can show here. So for example, the span I make a style, and I give the font size only 12, that means a smaller, so font size 12 pixel, so something like that. And here I write applied, which one is applied, the code, that means session variable code. So PHP echo, then session, I am going to write the code. So the span is complete, and when the span task is done, here I can use another one, that is the beer, for example, sorry, so something like that. Or here you can write here after completing the span beer. And now if you want to remove the coupon, here I am going to write to remove the coupon. So if you want to do that, for example, PHP echo base URL, and here I can write the URL means the link, so coupon remove.php question. So you can pass the parameter here, and the parameter will be session of code here. So PHP echo session of code will be here like this. So this will be like this one. So I pass him to the coupon remove.php. that means here I will create a page coupon remove in this way, and there I will pass the user with this code, that is the session code. And similarly here you can put the style font size 12 pixel, and color here you can give color is for example red, so something like that. And you can use the text decoration underline. And here let's check it how you see applied common. Okay, so applied coupon is common, but remove link does not come yet, because here I will have to write here the remove. So refresh, you see this is the remove. So applied coupon is this, that is the common, and if you want you can remove. So here I can use the are you sure, or if you want to clickable it, that means if any person click this one, then it will go to the coupon remove.php and the coupon will be removed. That means it will take me to here. So here I am going to call the common header first and then PHP. And now I will just unset which one will I will unset, that is session of for example discount. I am going to unset it, and another one is code. So I am going to unset the code, and success message should be here, that is the session of success message. And here what will be the message, that is coupon is removed. So coupon is removed successfully, and base URL it will take you back to the previous page. That means you will back to the checkout page. So this is the thing. So now if I refresh, you see 10. If I click on remove, you see coupon is removed, and there is undefined array key code in line number 243. So here I am going to check that 243 if is set. Here I forget to use this one, so that is the problem. You must have to give this, otherwise that will make a problem. And here also use the endif. So now let's check it. Yes, you see there is no problem, and coupon has been now come to 0 again. So discount is 0. So holiday, apply it. Holiday applied, you see 70.20. How it comes 70? Because there is a percentage coupon. This means 20 and it is percentage. So 20% has been discount. So 350 ons 20% is here about 70.20. So this is a big discount here, and this is a percentage discount. And you see the percentage discount is showing and applied in this case. So you see I can easily add the coupon here, I can easily remove the coupon here, and the calculation will be shown here. Okay, so here you see the total subtotal. If I go to the coupon here 351, and now if I go to the proceed to checkout, here 351 minus 70, that means 70.20. So here if I calculate 351 minus 70.20, it will be 280.8. So 280.80. So it is working. So in this way that total is calculated automatically, and I see there is no error. Here I was waiting for some times, and when I load the page again, checkout, you see there is a problem in the order summary. That means the session has been destroyed. So if the session ID has been destroyed, then the page should not be shown. So in the top I am going to check something, that is if not is set session product ID, I will take the user back to the cart. So if there is no session ID, that means no session product ID, then a user will not be able to see the checkout page. So if you refresh it, you will be taken to the cart because there is no product in the cart. So again, I will have to add the product into the cart, this one and this one, for example, and then 69 here at 98. Okay, so proceed to checkout. Now this page will be shown and you see there is no error at all. And here now I am going to work with the existing customer section and the login. You see it is asking me if you are an existing customer. So how I can do that? If you are existing customer, you can log in into this system. So that is a good method. And if you are not an existing customer, that can be okay, because the guest checkout should be enabled here now. So what I can do, I am going to the checkout, and here you see this is the checkout, and here the existing customer login, it is showing here. If the user is not set, for example the session user, that means in my case the session customer, right? So if I go to the login, you will see here this is the session of customer. So I will have to check this session of customer value. That means here after checkout, here I am going to write PHP. So here I am going to write if not is set, that is session of customer. If there is no customer here, for example like this, then I will have to write something. And what I can write here, this is okay, shipping address, and here existing customer login. Here if I click here, then it will come. That means here I am going to write PHP in div for now. So if not is set, then this section will be shown in this way. Okay, and here existing customer login, here I am going to make text decoration underscore. So it is okay. I can use here on one click. So if I write on click equal to this event, I am going to run, for example, on click equal to toggle login form function. I am going to call this one, and here straight you cannot click here. So JavaScript void I am going to add here. And existing user login, that means if you are an existing user, then I will do something, and if you are not existing user, then I will write you are logged in as something or something like that. So if you want to log in as user, then what will happen? Here is shipping address area, you see. So here I am going to change something. I am going to copy this thing here. That means, for example, this one, and this in div I am going to cut and put it in this location, and here is div. So in this way, and not here. Here I am not going to change. Toggle is only one place. Here what is there, that is okay. Now I will work with this. So if existing user login, that means the shipping address area and MB13. If I click here, something will be happen. That means a JavaScript call I will have to run here. But before that, I am going to write here something. So existing user login form I can put here, or for example div, I create a div here, and I am going to ID equal to for example login form. I just put some ID here, and by default it will not show, that is display none. And here I am going to write my code. So which code I will write here? For example, the row I can call and then call md6. Okay, and here I am going to use mb2 and here label, sorry, so label 4. Now, or if you want, you can state without label, that is input text, and this one will be class. So here it will be class equal to form control, and there will be name will be email, and placeholder must be needed here because I have no label, so email address. So this is the email address one, and another one I will need to have here, that is the password. So here I write password and type equal to password, here name, password, form control, and everything is password. And after that I am going to write a button that can be a login button, not like this, simple div, sorry. So this is the login. So button type submit, class equal to here button primary, btn primary, and then I can call here, that is btn sm, and mt20 not needed here, and I can use here a name, that is form login. So form login will be here, and this is my button, and the form here I am going to start the form and end the form. So where the shipping area started, shipping address area, I am going to use a form here, so like this. So this form I am going to end in this location, so that means here. So this is the form, and here name equal to login form. So if not is set, then actually this one will be shown here. If I refresh, you see this one is showing if not is set, but before using the toggle it will not show. And here I can use the script like this, and the toggle form, that toggle login form, you see I added here. So what I will do, so if you want, you can use the form very easily. So constant, I can use the form equal to document dot get element by id, and then my login form will be this, and I will then form style display I will show, that means form style dot display. So if this display is triple equal to none, then I will write block, or otherwise none. So let's check it. If I click, it is showing, again click, it is gone. So a nice toggle form, existing user login here, if you click here it is showing, otherwise not. So it is okay. So this type of toggle you can add here, and this is if you are not logged in, then it is asking you to log in, right? And after that, that means when the script is ended, if you are already logged in, what will happen? So I can use the else. So in the case of else, if you are already logged in, then I can use a logout system here. So okay, so form post, and in this form action post I can use here, for example, this one, shipping address area. So I put it here and then in the div, so like this one, and I can write here you are logged in as, for example, you are logged in as. Here I can show the customer data, that means customer of name. And after this one, that means here I use the br, and I can use it as the log out form. That means you can simply use that button type submit, and here I can use a name equal to form logout. So this is the name, And here if you want, you can use the simple style equal to color red, something like that, and text decoration, here underline, background, here you can use the white as a background. So this should be the login, so name, this should be the logout, so name is logout. So now if I refresh, you see if I click here, there is nothing like that. This existing customer login will not be needed anymore. So in this case, this one I should not be here. So this is a section you see, and here there is a customer information, and I will take all the information from the customer, what is there, that is okay. But if session user, then I will have to write already the session data into here in the name, email, mobile. So here I am going to check what are the customer data. I am going to check my customers table, and customer data is smith@example.com. Here you see there is a phone number, email, address, like this. So here I can use the value, so it will be like this. If is set session customer, then customer name will be shown, okay, otherwise not. Similar customer email, and here is phone, here is probably the name is phone and address. So here I will write the phone, value will be this one, and the last one here is address will be this one. And this is the select area, that means this is actually the shipping area. So I will have to use the shipping, here name I can use shipping cost. For example, the value I will take from here. So how I can do that? Area select is okay. I should only change these two items, right? So from the table, so PHP select from here, that means from areas I am going to change order by word, something like that. The order user inputted, in that way it will come. And no total will be here, and here I am going to write so something like this. So option value will be like this. Here you see I have two values, one is charge, another one is name. So it will be charge, and here it will be name, that is okay. So now let's refresh it. You see existing user, then you will have to log in. If you do not want to log in as existing user, you just have to give the email, phone, address, etc. And you see here comes free shipping, inside city, outside city. So inside city you see the money that is coming here, how it is coming. So this is important. Here I am going to area, you see 20 and 50. So inside city you see 20. If I first check out, I first load this, you see there is no shipping cost. But if I add free shipping, it is 0. If I add inside city 20, outside city you see it is adding 50. So this section is dynamically changing here, right? So it is working here, so inside city or outside city. And the customer information, if I log in as is smith@example.com, password 1234, login, you see nothing coming because the form login is not implemented here. So now if I want, I can implement the form login that I used in the case of login page. So what I did in the case of login page, same type of thing I will apply here. So I just go to the login, and here you see this is my login form. So I am going to copy this, and in my checkout, after, for example, here it is okay, it is PHP, and here I paste it. This was the form login, so it is like this one. If login is successful here, so it is similar to before. There is actually nothing special here, and the one change is login successful, it will take the user to the checkout page, okay. And if there is any error, then it will take the user to again the checkout page, no issue. So do that, resend. You see, login successful. You are logged in as Smith. So as you have logged in, so the form and the toggle is not here. So it is working, and you see this form has been filled up. Smith, the data you inserted in your database, that is coming here. So customer data automatically loaded here. Here you can just select it, that will be added here. If there is any discount, for example holiday, I add here. So holiday discount is 19, that means some percentage. So I am going to select inside city. It is added here. Outside city, they added the total bill, then they reduce this one. So 8 minus 9, 8.40, yes, 98 and 19, something like that. 9, 5, 140, 150 minus 20, 130, near. Yes, it is working. If you want, you can remove it, no problem. So this is the customer section. And guest checkout, that means if you now do not give anything here, it will show an error, and I will show you that when you will click on the confirm, then that will work. Now I am going to work with the next section. For example, the logout is here, but I did not work with the logout. So here I can use another one, that is this one. I am going to copy from here, and this will be the form logout. So form logout will be here, and you see unset session is this, logout successful, it will take you back. Yes, everything is perfect. So from here you can go to logout. You see logout successful, and existing customer, this toggle is coming here, and here again the customer login page comes. So this is the system. Okay. So now what I am going to do, that is proceed to checkout. Here again going to login. For example, if you want to do the guest checkout, it is possible, but guest checkout or logged in user checkout, whatever, you cannot make these forms empty. If you try to make these forms empty, there will be a problem. So you must have to submit this form with the shipping method or other. You must have to submit this one. So this is the main thing here. So in order to submit this form, I will have to create another form here outside. That means if I go to the checkout, here is customer information has another form here. I can just cut this one and make it outside. Okay, so I put it outside, that will be better to look at. So this will be something like this. This will be like this. So this form I am going to put outside here, and after this but not here actually, because there is a payment method also. So I will have to put all the payment gateway and payment methods also under this form. So in the bottom I will put this one, and here where there is a confirm order, so what will be here, in the case of confirm order, you can, what I can do, here I can use the form order something like that. So back to cart is okay. I will take the user to the cart page from here, echo base URL, something like that. And here name is important in my case, so name equal to form order. So this is a order form, and if a person submit this form, it will take the user to the order page. Okay, so the order page will work in that way. And okay, I can just go to the top now, and here, but before going there I am going to check all the things here. That is the placeholder is name, email, but name is name, email, phone, address, and shipping cost is the name, that is okay. And here the payment method is okay, but here not the local payment gateway. I am going to add here PayPal. So PayPal can be here, and Stripe, I am going to implement here. So put the Stripe, and cash on delivery is okay. If someone wants to use the cash on delivery, that is also okay. So when a person will select the PayPal, then what will happen? I am going to check if I select cash on delivery order or PayPal order. Okay, it will take the user to the outside URL, right? So I do not need to have this type of things, that is the display none, cash on delivery no, this type of things I do not need in this case. So remove this. Form order is okay, and here is ID equal to payment method, because I used a change select or something like that. This thing, toggle payment fields, so this thing is not needed, so remove it. And here I do not need any payment method for this, no toggle. So this is perfect and should work. And here MB2 I can use in this class, so extra class is not needed here, just use like this one. And now if I want to show it, refresh, you see, just select and confirm order, and back to cart is okay, and then proceed to checkout is okay. And this is the select area. You will have to select the area first, otherwise it will not work. So instead of select area, you can select anything. For example, that means the select shipping method or something you can apply. So it is not the main thing. My main thing is this, and you see form order, and here is payment method and all this form with shipping cost. So now I will go to the top to submit the data, and here as this is an order, so here I will do the contact, but contact nothing worked, so I am going to the forget password. Here this mailer I am going to call in the top, because I will have to send the email when the order will be completed, so I put that in the top. And in other cases, for example the coupon, what I did, I am going to copy the things from here. It will be in my case form order, so it will be form order, okay. And the other information that is showing, that is this one, order is applied or something. These will not be needed, but it is okay for now. Checkout, okay. So my task is to work with all the form items. So first of all, I can check the name. So if there is any issue in the name, if it is empty, then I will write the name cannot be empty. So after that there is email. If the post email, then email cannot be empty, and email must be a valid email address. The phone number you can take from the user, and the address you can take from user, and shipping cost cannot be empty, so you must have to do that. Even the payment method cannot be empty, okay. So these are the things that are showing here, and I hope it is okay. There is no other things. Payment method is okay. So let's do the next thing, that is the discount. So how I can take the discount? So here if is set, and then I am going to write a session of discount, then discount equal to session of discount is okay, otherwise then else discount equal to empty. So I just put the discount and then the total. So I have the subtotal in my hand, so in order to get the total, it will be session subtotal plus shipping cost is okay minus discount. Shipping cost is coming here, okay, so it should work. Now I will insert the order into the table, but before going to do that, I am going to get the order number. So order number can be any random value that can be start ORD, for example. So in this way I can use date and rent from this to this. Instead of date, I am going to use here a time function. Okay, so to make this unique, I use this one. So this is the order number, and after this one, and here not like this, I use simple 100 to 999. So total 3 character will come with the time, because in the same time another person can run the same order in the same second. So in order to make it unique, I have to apply this. So when this is done, here I am going to delete all the things from here, it is not needed. So when I get the total, I will insert the data into my table. So statement equal to PDO prepared insert into, and this is the insert into orders table I will need to have, but now I do not have any orders table. So my now the current task is to create an order to make this as a order table. That means I will have to run this one. So up to now it is okay, but I am now going to do to make this, for example, stop this, and order is applied successfully. For example, this is okay. Now let's check it. If you are able to give anything empty, no. If you give the name, then email cannot be empty. So if I give the email and phone address, then shipping cost cannot be empty. And if I give everything, select this, you see email is invalid. So name, email, phone address, this one, you see payment method cannot be empty. And if when you will give everything okay, this one, and also you select payment method, confirm order applied successfully, but actually not successfully. I just wanted to show if it is working or not.